Hey guys, welcome back to the Bobby Homestead. It's day 14 and my construction guy decided to show up this morning, so this is what we got done. I'll let him finish that wall right there. This one went up a bit. Is it? Got some boxings in, the columns are going in. The back wall is up. Needs to be filled though. And then that column is in, that one needs to go in. And then we take it from there. The boxes are going up. We got some plywood. While he was working, I worked on my lintel. I finished that from yesterday. That was day 13. Today's day 14. Another lintel. And two more over there. So that's it for day 14. Progress. Yep. I'm gonna need some more blocks.